Hello everyone, Miss Joelle here for your fourth Tech Tip Tuesday. So today we're going to be talking about splitting your screen using a really easy Google Chrome extension. So this will work for any type of computer that you're on as long as you're using Google Chrome. So you're going to start by Googling Chrome extensions, and then you're going to come here to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're in the web store, you're going to type in split screen, and you're going to be using this first one. The icon should look just like this. You're going to go ahead and click it, and I already have it on Chrome, so mine says remove, but yours will say add if you don't have it, so you can add it to Chrome, and it will come right up here, so you can see the icon right here in my corner. So once I have this on Chrome, like I said, it should pop up right here. If for some reason it doesn't, if you actually click on this little puzzle piece, this is a list of all of your extensions, and you can see that the ones that I use often I have pinned, and those are up here on my page. So if yours is not up there, it's probably unpinned. So see how I unpinned that and it disappeared? I can go ahead and pin it again, and now it will stay up there, and I'm going to keep that pinned because I'm going to use that one a lot. So once I have my split screen pinned up here, all I need to do to use it, it is so easy. You just literally click on it, and you can select the type of split screen that you would like. So actually I added that extra, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So your defaults will look like this. So you'll have a 4 square, so a 2x2, you'll have a horizontal split and a vertical split, and then you'll have back to full screen. So what I want to do is I want my settings to stay like this. So I'm going to check that I have an empty tab. That means when I split my screen, automatically whatever is on my screen is going to move over to either the left or the right, whichever I pick. I like it on the left. And then the new screen will pop up, and it's going to be an empty tab. If you select single tab, that means when you split your screen, I'll go ahead and show you both. So right now you're going to see it's an empty tab. So an empty tab is going to pop up just like this. Now I'm going to come back here and go back to full screen. And if I check this and do it again, now nothing pops up. So I want to keep mine on, I want to keep mine on empty tab so that an empty tab pops up, because it makes my life a little bit easier. So you can split your screen in any way you like. So if I do a 4x4, all of these empty tabs are going to pop up, or a 2x2, excuse me. And like I said, to get back to full screen, you just click the extension again, and you click 1 by 1, and it brings you back to full screen. Now, a couple more tips. One, you can do any custom settings. So if you come in here and you click the plus sign, like let's say I want a 2x3, and I want it to look like this, I can save it, and now my 2x3 is right here. So when I click it, here are my 6 tabs. All right, so I'm going to get rid of some of those. One thing that I really like to use this for is for grading, so that I can have some side-by-side work. But when I'm grading, I don't necessarily need it to be split right in half. I like what I'm grading to be bigger and then the grade book to be smaller. So I'm going to get rid of my 2x3 here. And I'm going to add in another custom, but this time instead of fixed, I'm going to go to scaled. And then I can pick if I want it to be a 6:4 ratio or a 7:3 ratio, if I want it to be split horizontally or vertically. So I like mine like this. So I'm going to go ahead and save it, and here it is on my default now. So now what I can do is, let's say this is the stuff that I'm grading. I'm going to open it over here, and then over on the smaller tab, I can pull up my grade book so that I can grade on the larger portion and enter my grades right here without having to flip back and forth between tabs. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any further questions, you know where to find me.